Today I'm going to show you how to cut and paste from a photo. So first you're going to go ahead and find your photo. So over here on my desktop I have my dog. I'm going to take the photo, I'm just going to drag it over into Photoshop, and you'll notice that it opens up in its own document in Photoshop. If you have the box open, you'll see that up top, right where my mouse is, there will be other tabs. But for now, you just want your one piece. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my quick selection tool. For me, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 tools down. It's the quick selection, or just press W. Or you could use the lasso tools, but I personally think the quick selections are easier. So when you're doing your selections, what I like to do is I like to actually select what I want. So holding with my left hand on my trackpad, and with my right hand I'm dragging around over what I want. So right now my brush is a little bit big, so you can just make your brush size a little bit smaller if need be. Okay, and you'll notice that if it selects a little bit too much, we can go ahead and deselect later on. Okay, so the majority of my dog is selected, but I'm going to go in and I'm going to hold Option, and you'll notice when I push Option, my brush turns to minus, so I'm just going to get rid of a little bit of this extra stuff. And again, if your brush is too big, that might be part of the issue, so you can go ahead and shrink that brush size, still holding Option to minus out my selection. Once I have what I want selected, I'm just going to verify that my layer has been rasterized. It will not let you do anything if you have not rasterized your layer. I'm also going to go ahead over to my layers and unlock my background. So the layers palette is over on the right hand side. Take that selection back. If you click the move tool, you'll notice that it should just cut. If it doesn't just cut, you can always Command C to copy. And then you would have your box. So let me see if I have my box. And then I could Command V. Once my dog is on here, I'm going to go ahead and Command T, and I can make him any size. I can rotate him, and I could add filter to him if I'd like to. But this is how you get your thing where you want them. And then you can, of course, add filters if you'd like. Do whatever you want. If you need to rasterize, okay, File, New. I'm just going to go ahead and make a new document. I'm going to drag the dog image in here, hit Enter, and then you'll notice when I go to Layer, Rasterize, I can turn it into a smart object. So if your cutting and pasting or selecting is not working, just confirm that you've Layer, Rasterize, Smart Object, and once you do that, you'll be able to cut and paste your image. If you have any issues, please just let me know.